For applications that require centrifugation at specific temperatures, temperature control is a critical feature. Here's what you need to know about the temperature control capabilities of mini centrifuges. Temperature control overview. Refrigerated models. Cooling capability. Refrigerated mini centrifuges can cool down to specific temperatures. Temperature range typically cools to between 4 degrees C and minus 20 degrees C. Non-refrigerated models. Ambient temperature. Standard mini centrifuges operate at room temperature. Heating options. Some models offer heating capabilities for temperature-sensitive samples. Temperature stability. Precise control. Refrigerated models maintain stable temperatures throughout the centrifugation process. Consistency ensures uniform conditions for all samples. Thermal monitoring. Display. Real-time temperature display allows monitoring of the current temperature. Alarms. Alerts for deviations from the set temperature. Energy efficiency. Eco mode. Some models feature energy-saving modes to reduce power consumption. Key considerations. Application requirements. Specific temperatures. Consider the temperature requirements of your applications. Sample sensitivity. Temperature-sensitive samples. Choose a model with precise temperature control for sensitive samples. Ease of use. Intuitive controls. User-friendly controls make it simple to set and monitor temperatures. Maintenance. Regular checks. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and accuracy. Conclusion. Selecting a mini centrifuge with reliable temperature control is essential for applications requiring precise temperature conditions. Refrigerated models with precise temperature control and stability are ideal for temperature-sensitive experiments. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.